大雪纷飞，天寒地冻，车辆覆盖大量白雪。放眼望去，整片山头一片白皑皑。
Secret is to stay moving. You can't stop moving, or else you get cold.
强烈冬季风暴周末席卷美国中西部局部和东北部，部分地区降雪甚至超过20到30公分。
But we did have one spot in upstate New York that topped out at 14 inches of snow. Ice was also a concern, especially across Pennsylvania.
除了道路结冰导致出行不易，街道家门累积厚厚雪堆，民众花数小时忙着清理。暴风雪接力来袭，超过9000万人面临警报，一些州宣布紧急状态，犹他州甚至发生雪崩，不幸传出1死1伤悲剧。
One individual who suffered a lower leg injury. That person has been taken in an ambulance to get treatment. We have a second person who unfortunately died from the event.
全美至少19州陷入冰封世界。坏消息是，接连还有3个强烈系统将从中部开始移动，逐渐袭击东北。未来几天仍面临下雪与结冰，甚至雨雪夹杂的严寒湿冷天气，体感温度恐怕持续下探。3立新闻陈柏报道。